The calendar in Fusion allows the admin login and any admin managers to add whole school events. Teachers can add calendar events for any group, and all users except parents can add personal items. The calendar dashboard panel provides a list of upcoming events and includes the monthly grid calendar view. To go to the full calendar, either click on the header of the calendar dashboard panel or go to Quick Links, Calendar. There are different ways to view your calendar. You can choose to view the weekends or not. You can view your calendar events coming up. In Agenda View, you can view your personal events or the school calendar or both together. And you can choose the events for any particular group. To add a calendar event, click on the date and choose the type of event you want to add. One for the whole school community, a personal event just for you, one for mixed users, individuals and groups, or create a group event, for example one for your class. And click Create. Now carefully add the details of your event. So I've entered the date, the time, the duration of the event and the title. I've also selected that it's a school trip, so it will have this colouring. I could choose to tick here for this event to go to users as a message, and I can also repeat the event. There's a place for a short title. If the title of your event is too long for this box, add it as a description. And then click to add any attachments and save the event. So you can see this is my event in the calendar and it says ATT, which means there's an attachment there. If I click on the event, it comes up and I can click on the attachment and view it here. If I click on this event, you can see the description appears in here. If I go to my science class, as this class has a group dashboard panel, you can see that this event appears in the dashboard panel for events in the next 7 days. And again, I can click and view. So that's how to use the calendar in Fusion.